Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Patna that offers comprehensive building information modeling (BIM) services. With a team of highly skilled professionals and advanced technology, the company strives to provide innovative solutions for the construction industry. BIM is a powerful tool that enables architects, engineers, and contractors to collaborate effectively and streamline the entire construction process. As a BIM company in Patna, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd understands the importance of accuracy and efficiency in construction projects. They employ advanced software and techniques to create detailed 3D models of buildings, allowing for better visualization and analysis. This helps in identifying potential issues early on, reducing rework and saving both time and money. The company also offers clash detection services, ensuring that different building systems and components are properly coordinated. Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of BIM services to cater to the specific needs of their clients. Their team of experts can assist in creating architectural BIM models, structural BIM models, MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, coordination, and quantity takeoff. They can also provide 4D scheduling and 5D cost estimation services, allowing for better project planning and budgeting. The BIM services provided by Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd go beyond just the design phase. They offer construction documentation services, including generating accurate drawings. Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted BIM company in Patna by delivering high-quality services to a diverse range of clients. Their team is dedicated to providing personalized solutions tailored to meet the unique requirements of each project. They adhere to international standards and best practices in BIM implementation, ensuring that their clients receive the highest level of service. In conclusion, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is a reputable BIM company in Patna that offers comprehensive BIM services to the construction industry. With their expertise in creating detailed 3D models, clash detection, construction documentation, and implementation support, they are committed to enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of construction projects. Their dedication to quality and customer satisfaction sets them apart as